Hey everyone, my name is Madison and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I thought I would share my room tour with you all. This is my room tour for my sophomore year of college. I have loved living here so much, and I'm so grateful to kind of have this space to myself. I was planning on living in the dorms, but everything happened and, you know, COVID kind of exploded, so I did not have the chance to live in the room I was planning on living in my dorm. So I opted out, found an apartment with some friends, and I have absolutely loved living here. So I thought I would share my room tour with you all. It's been very requested, so I hope you all enjoy. Let's go. Alrighty, so when you first walk in my room, this is what it looks like. I luckily have my own bedroom to myself, so I was able to get a queen, but I love it. We have our closet over there. My closet is a mess, so like let's just quickly skim over that. Of course, I have my little snack cart back there. Back here, I have my bag of reusable bags. I love having these, especially in Boulder. You have to pay for bags at like City Market, Target, all those places when you go to buy food or whatever. So this just helps me, A, not have to pay for them, and then B, I'm not putting more plastic into the landfill. Right outside my door, I have my desk here. I just got this really nice, fun, comfy spinny chair from Amazon. It's super comfy. Sometimes I do like to add a pillow if I'm getting a little uncomfortable after sitting there a while, but it is super comfy. I will link it down below, and I highly recommend it. I love it. And just to the right of that here, I have this little, it was supposed to be a hamper, but I thought it was just super cute just to put some random little things like pillows and my cords and chargers and everything in there. Then here I have my TV/monitor. I love hooking my computer up to this and using it to watch lectures and study and things. I also can just use it as a smart TV on its own, so it has Netflix, Hulu, all that jazz, so I can watch it from my bed, which is super fun. I also just have my computer and my iPad here charging, of course. And then in the back there I have my Polaroid, a picture of my boyfriend and I, and then just this little desk lamp. It's super bright, which I don't know if I love it. It's so like kind of harsh and LED, but that's okay. And then my little speaker, my fake plant, and of course my water bottle. Up on the wall here I have just another photo, my calendar, and then my ribbon from AAC's, which is like by far my prettiest ribbon, so I love bringing that and just commemorates all the memories. And then just some numbers from past horror shows that have some sentimental meaning. Last month I was really good about making my calendar like super organized and laid out, but obviously I haven't done that yet, and it's almost the end of the month anyways. So I will probably flip that around sometime and go through and change that out. Nice thing about this desk, which I also happened to get off of Amazon, it's just black and white and has this nice little side gray thing. I love this extra little pocket. I can just keep random little things in here like some paperwork, scissors, my reusable straws. It's just kind of cluttered down there. And then I also have my backpack. Even though everything is remote now, I do like kind of having all of my items consolidated in one place. Just to the left of that, I have all my textbooks and my spare notebook that I do like some quizzes and things in that I can't use my iPad for. And I have this extra little dresser which just has socks and undies and other like schoolwork and supplies and things like that in there. This is a bit smaller than I thought it would be, but honestly it's such a nice size next to this chair here. Not too big or overwhelming, and it's perfect just for my whiteboard when I want to do some extra problems or who knows what on. I also have this lamp here, which I love. I got this from Target. It definitely is not super bright, but I could get a bigger light bulb if I wanted to. But it is so perfect at night when my room gets a little bit darker and the sun goes down. My like normal lamp up there, or the normal light, is kind of dingy, so this definitely just helps brighten up the room. And then I got this cute pink chair from Target with this little blanket, I think from Walmart. This chair is so comfy, and I love just sitting here doing homework kind of in a different spot. I can use my little dresser. It has a little side table, Super, super nice. And then up here I have my fairy lights, which go all the way around my room, as well as these cute little tassels and some of these little star things that hang down from the side. Up here I just keep some random things like my little baby fan, which I'll like put in front of the window if I'm really hot, some candles and things, and then of course gotta have my crumble cookies. These are also my boyfriend's, I promise they are not all mine. Back here we have my bed. I absolutely love my bed. Like I said, it is a queen bed, but it is so just like nice having some space to lay out and things like that. Watch some TV. I've been rewatching New Girl, which is so fun, but definitely not the best use of my time. I got this bedspread from HomeGoods, I believe. It has a duvet inside, so it's just a duvet cover. I got some of these throw pillows. I believe the 2 pink ones are from Walmart, and then my big gray, this is my favorite thing in the universe, this big gray pillow back here, and then my yellow one are from Target. I got my bed as a box mattress from Costco, which means it comes rolled up in a box, so you can't lay on it. So I did not expect it to be as hard as it is. It's pretty hard, and it also is 18 inches thick. So I've had some issues with the sheets not staying down. When I go to bed, I'll like wake up in the morning with the sheets completely off, which is kind of annoying, but you know, there are worse things in life, so I'm trying to figure that out. I also really like it because I do have some space for some random things underneath my bed. I definitely want to make it a bit more organized because right now I just kind of have random stuff thrown under there, but that is super nice, just having some more space because I wasn't quite sure how much space I would have. I thought about putting something else behind my bed, but I kind of like the white. I feel like it definitely helps my room be more open, but I might try to put, I don't know, I have like a tapestry that was in my dorm last year that has a Bible verse on it. I might put that up there, but I'm not totally sure yet. And then just to the left, I have my bedside table. I just got to have all my essentials. I have one of my favorite candles. This is from Jack's Jelly, or sorry, this candle right here is from Jack's Kelly, and I love it so much. I also have my diffuser, my favorite lotion from Lush, and then another plant and my little light. Down here, I just keep like some things like my Bible, my retainers, chapstick, glasses, extra scrunchies, and some tissues. And then in this drawer, I just have my collection of masks and my keys and some other things like that. And then of course, I had to bring my little Taylor Penelope little nameplate. I'm not quite sure where I want to put this yet. I've been here like over a month, but I feel like this is not the best place for it. It is kind of heavy, but I absolutely love this. My sister got this for me, I want to say a couple years ago, so I'd had Penelope for just a few years when I got this, and I love it so much. And then back here I have my little charging outlet thing. I got this from Amazon, and it is amazing. It has 3 ports as well as 2 USB chargers, and it only plugs into one little outlet, which is so nice, so I have extra space to charge my calculator, my watch, my phone, my boyfriend's phone, whatever I need. So I highly recommend that. And then if y'all are interested, I did get my bed frame from Amazon. It was super cheap. I mean, like 80 bucks, so like relatively. It's this nice metal, was super easy to put together, has really great reviews, held up well, and is also 18 inches, so have quite a bit of space underneath. And then my bed itself is about 3 feet off the ground with my mattress, so I highly recommend that if y'all are interested in getting a new bed. But that is pretty much my room for y'all. So thank you all so much for watching today's video. If you all enjoyed it, don't forget to give it a huge thumbs up, subscribe right down below if you've not already, and please let me know what other types of videos you want to see from me. I really appreciate y'all's love and support, and I will see you in my next video. Peace out. Bye.